Hello and welcome back. This is lesson 7 of our Microsoft Word course. Today we will learn how to change the page layout of a document. By the end of this lesson, you will know how to change page orientation, adjust margins, change page size, insert page break. Let's begin. Let's start with page orientation. Page orientation controls the direction of the page. There are two types. One, portrait, that is the vertical. Two, landscape, the horizontal. To change orientation, you need to click Layout tab. We come here, as you can see, Layouts. And then we have orientation over here. You choose either portrait or landscape. For instance, portrait is already selected. This page you're seeing, it is in portrait form. Let's make it landscape so that you can see the difference. We click landscape. You see the difference? This is landscape. So we take it back to portrait, click orientations, portrait. That is how we change page orientation. The second thing we're going to look at the margins. Margins are empty spaces around the page. For example, where our cursor is blinking here, towards the left, this is the margin, the vertical margin. From the cursor to the top, this empty space over here, it is the vertical, it is also a margin. So these empty spaces around the document down are the margins. To change margins, you go to Layout and then click Margins. Here we have margins. Normal, this is how our margin look like. You see the top space, it is 2.4 centimeters, bottom 2.4, to the left it's 2.4 centimeters, to the right it's 2.4 centimeters. You can choose normal. Depending on what you're required to do, you come here and change either narrow, moderate, wide, mirrored, office default. Let's put it narrow and see if we can notice the difference. You see where our cursor has moved? So this distance has shortened, and also top to where the cursor is beginning at, it has shortened. Let's return our document back to normal. Normal. We've returned it back to normal. The third thing we're going to look at in this lesson is page sizes. Page sizes. And to change the size of your page, you still click Layout. Click Size. We have size. And it has several sizes. And then our document here, it is A4. You can change it to F3, which is a bit bigger. You see? Come again here, let's put it A5. You see, it's smaller. Come again to sizes. Let's change it to legal. You see? So that is how we change the page sizes of our document. Well, let's return this one to F4, which is like my default for this, for my lessons or my computer. The fourth thing we're going to look at are page breaks. A page break moves text to the next page. For example, we can write welcome to ICDL lesson 7. When you insert a page break, you need to click your mouse in the document, anywhere in the page, and then again layouts, we have breaks over here. So immediately you click it, page, you see our text has been moved to the next page, and on top we have a blank page, this one. Now this is how we insert a page break. We have done several things that are very simple. In the next lesson, we will learn about headers, footers, and page numbers. Thank you and see you then. Have a nice time.